Okay, with the UNO proofs, remember, what are we always going to have? A given and a proof, right? So number 1 on our notes, we're given AB is congruent to CB. I'm just going to redraw over those tick marks. And we're given AD is congruent to CD. That's right here, and here is congruent to this one and this one. What else could I add to this picture? The middle tick marks, do y'all agree? And then what kind of triangles do I have? Side, side, side. So this is going to guide what we're doing in our proof. Now that we've determined that, now I'm going to write a proof to prove it. Here's my statements. What's my first reason always? Given. What is the next thing that we did? Tick marks where? On BD. And what do we know about BD? It's congruent to BD. What is that called when something is congruent to itself? Not symmetric. Reflexive. Reflex. There should not be a C in that. It's reflexive. That's an L. And then last but not least, my proof, triangle ABD is congruent to CBD because SSS is the reason. And then draw a little box. We're done. Are we good? Can I move it up? Okay, moving up. Next one. HF is congruent to HJ. That's the first tick marks. FG is congruent to JK. That's the second set of tick marks. And H is the midpoint of GK. What does that do for me? If H is in the middle, what's equal? So what do I now have? So we just did the problem like we did yesterday. Now we're going to write the proof for it. What is my first reason? What did we next do? We added tick marks to GH and HK. Don't forget the line above them or you'll get points off. GH is congruent to HK. Why? Because if it's a midpoint, then they're congruent. What do I write in the last blank? How do I write it? Do I have to write FGH? Why? Because you have to write whatever is in the proof. So FGH is congruent to triangle JKH. I have some people write that in the very first, like the first thing they do is go write the proof in the last line. Why are these congruent? SSS. And we're done. Draw the little box. We're going to do one more together. Can I change this? Everybody's good? All right, open up. Next one. What can I, hold on, stay with me. What can I add to this picture? Little arches. So what did I give you here? I gave you two sides and an angle. Where's that angle? In the middle, so it's SAS. My first reason is, okay, be careful about this next one. What do I write in the statement number 2? What did we do? Okay, hey y'all listen, do not write angle B equals angle B. I get that they do. However, I don't know which angle B you're talking about. You could be talking about this one down here. I want you to be specific by writing angle ABE is congruent to what? And by the way, you could have written EBA and that's fine too. Angle ABE is, oh, by the way, there's a mistake here. Did anybody catch it?
Yeah, the CBD.
Yeah, CBD. It should say ABE. Can y'all change that? That C should be an E on both of these. Because ABC is not a triangle. They messed up when they wrote this. But wait, what's our sorry, I just sidetracked us. What's our reason for number 2? Write it as a conditional. If VA,
then angles are congruent.
and you can just write if VA, then congruent. You can write out vertical angles, but I'm lazy. And last but not least, why are these triangles congruent? Side angle, side. If VA, then congruent. And that should be an E because their ABC is not triangle. We will finish these notes tomorrow with more practice. As a reminder, you don't have any homework tonight unless you did not do last night's homework. If you didn't do last night's homework, get that done.
Miss, this is the best I've done.